Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your email address in WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now at the top navigation bar at the right hand side of your screen, you can see your profile here. Hover your mouse to it and click on Edit Profile option. Now at the left hand side of your screen, you can see Account Settings tab. Click on it and you will find the email address section here. Now click on this field and delete the current email address and type in the new email address that you want to change. After that, scroll down a little bit and click on Save Account Settings button. Now open your new email address and you will find a email from WordPress. Open that email and click on Confirm button. Then your email address will be changed in your WordPress account. So that is how you can change email address on WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.